In the vast world of Forex trading, having the right tools is crucial for success. One such tool that traders often use is MetaTrader 5AT, a powerful platform that enables you to analyze and execute trades efficiently. If you're new to Forex and wondering how to get started with MTV, here's a simple guide on how to download and install this platform. To begin, open your web browser and search for MetaTrader 5 download or visit the official MetaTrader 5 website. Once you're on the website, look for the Download tab. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose the version of MT5 that suits your operating system. MT5 is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Select the version that corresponds to your computer's operating system. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows version. If you're on a Mac, select the macOS version. After choosing the right version, the download process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your computer's Downloads folder or the location you specified. Double-click on the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. It's a straightforward process that involves accepting the terms and conditions, choosing the installation location, and clicking the next button. Ensure that you have sufficient disk space for the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the MetaTrader 5 icon on your desktop or in the Applications folder on your computer. Double-click on the icon to launch the MT5 platform. When you open MT5 for the first time, you'll be prompted to either log in with an existing account or create a new one. If you're new to Forex trading, you'll need to create a new account. Click on the Create a New Account option and follow the steps to fill in your personal information. During the account creation process, you'll be asked to choose between a demo account and a real account. A demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual money, while a real account involves using real funds. If you're a beginner, starting with a demo account is a great way to familiarize yourself with the platform and hone your trading skills without risking real money. After completing the account creation process, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. Use these credentials to log in to your MT5 platform. Now that you're logged in, you can explore the various features of MT5, including the charting tools, technical indicators, and order execution options. Take your time to navigate the platform and get comfortable with its layout. Downloading MetaTrader 5 for Forex trading is a simple process that involves visiting the official website, choosing the right version for your operating system, and following the installation instructions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MT5 provides a user-friendly interface and powerful tools to enhance your trading experience in the dynamic world of Forex.